Hi everyone, this is Mehrnaz from Woca. I'm gonna show you the basic macrame knots. You need to know three basic macrame knots: the lark's knot, the square knot, and the half hitch knot. I personally prefer to use a 4mm 3-ply cord, especially when starting out with macrame. 3-ply strand is soft and comfortable on the hand and usually sturdy enough to make lots of knots. Even you make a lot of mistakes and have to untie and retie again, 4mm is a good size to start with. The first one I gonna go over quickly is the lark's head knot. This is known as the basic knot. We're gonna take a strand of cord, fold it in half, take the loop and down to the back, and then taking the cord's end through the loop to tighten. For a square knot, you'll need two strands of cords attached onto the dowel because you need 4 vertical strands to be able to make a square knot. So we take 2 out of cords, then we start with the left cord. So we go over the middle, left cord, go over the middle and under the right cord, and the right cord go under the middle cords like this. Right cord under the middle cord and take the right cord through this loop. Pull it up and make sure it's tight enough. I do it again, but I start with the right cord. The right cord over the middle cord, under the left cord, and then the left cord under the middle cords and take it through this loop. You made a square knot here. Double half hitch knot is extremely an important knot in macrame project. This knot is what allows us to have beautiful straight lines throughout our project. Now to make a double half hitch knot, you're going to have one cord that's called your leading cord, and the other cords in this project are working cords. Now all your working cords always tie around your leading cord. The leading cord is going to point in direction we want our beautiful line to go. So that could be diagonal or horizontal, or even kind of make it a wavy pattern. I take this working cord, it comes from behind, and I curl it up and around to form this nice loop, and then I just take that working cord around to go through the loop, and I can pull it into place up top here. I always take the leading cord in my hands. I take the second cord, curl it around the leading cord. Again, another tie around the leading cord. Third cord, curl around the leading cord. Another tie around leading cord. In another direction, I take the right cord over the working cord The first working cord, curl around the leading cord and take it through this loop, pull it up. Again, another tie. The second working cord, curl around the leading cord. Again, another tie, you see. The third cord around the leading cord and take it through this loop. Again, you made a half inch knot here.